Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we find a Boeing 787 Dreamliner once again. Oh no, wait, hang on, I haven't done a video on the 787 yet because the last video failed. Alright, let's go ahead. Actually, before we do that, perhaps shouldn't have started up the engines. I'm going to shut them back down once I start sort of. You know, okay, let's go ahead and turn nav and cabin lights and start attacking. So you're traveling to Yuripa International from Clarence. Let's go ahead and taxi down here. Alright, we have I'm not sure what that was a Boeing 737 MAX 9 that just nose planted into the ground. Boeing 747-200, which is actually taxiing properly, and we just got flyby by, I don't know what that was, I didn't actually get a good view of it. And my lag is so very severe that I may actually not be able to do it properly. Nope, wheels are going to cross. Didn't mean for that to happen. Alrighty. So it's probably a 14 some minute flight. So there will be no stopovers because it's only 230 k's. So this thing's ranges. I push this thing past 600 k stuff. It says its max range is like 500 a bit, but because I've climbed to like and it's a second crash. But anyway, because I climbed so high, I was actually able to put the aircraft a lot further than it was supposed to go. Taxiing down. I don't know, I'm not sure why we're lagging so much, but we got two 747s, both 200 models, got an Airbus A380-800, which is parked itself in the terminal, North American XB70A, or 70A, which is sitting underneath the Airbus A380, and a Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. Funny enough, I actually took this aircraft to the United Kingdom, so I know this is a very well, but this is an amazing aircraft. That's why Boeing, not Boeing, Qantas and other airlines are replacing the A380 for this said aircraft. Or is it the A380 or the 747? I think they're replacing the 747 and the A380 for the 787 because it can fly to, how far? I think we flew 17,000 k's to get to the United Kingdom, and we still had no, it was more 12,000. It was I don't know. We have a very non-realistic Airbus A380, which is now taxiing inside of us. We're going to go ahead and we're going to set the throttle to Tango as we roll down the runway. Airbus A380 is just going to stick in us the entire time. I think he has a higher throttle, so he will take off first. Yeah, there he is. a lag, my god. V1. Go ahead and rotate. Positive rate, you're up. Ah, he might be doing the same route as me. Up to 20,000. This is where we will level off. Just sticking behind his Airbus A380 right now. We have almost the same cruising speed, so I think he's a little faster than me. So if we zoom out far enough, we'll be able to. There he is. He's in a different server than us, but for some reason we're still the same. Yeah, he's slowly pulling away from us. There he is. No, Captain still. Oh no, he's walking around. Where is he going? He's going around this side, right? Okay. If you look at the top, you'll see that I've already been flying for 17 minutes. That was from a different flight. I don't know where I actually flew from. I flew somewhere, from somewhere to Clarence. And then that's where I ended the flight. Well, I actually didn't end the flight, I just logged out, and then when I came back, I spawned back at the terminal, so. We're going ahead and passing the elevator now, and this for some reason slows down. Continuing on one. I'm cruising up to maybe 20,000 feet. Go ahead and level off, 20,000 feet. Downstairs will become around soon. If you would like to see our menu, click the flight screen in front of you and select the menu. Dinner will be served for 1 hour. Then we will have enough chance to eat until breakfast at 700 hours. Thank you for choosing Qantas. Have a nice one. Was I 13 or 14 when I was 13 when I flew the 737. And then... No, I was 13 when I flew the 737 and I just turned 14 when I flew the single engine aircraft. Ever Safe Radio is pulling ahead from us. Alright, dinner services are over. I get to eat at L700 house for breakfast. I'm fairly sure it'll be after 700 hours before we land. Before we start descent anyway. Got 3 hours of dinner services. Actually, I may serve it at 0500. I don't know, the passengers will probably be asleep by now. I'll actually turn the cabin lights off. Let the passengers sleep. Probably should have done that before. So breakfast hours, 600 hours. Also, ordered at 600, so we, ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain for the flight deck, so they will be serving breakfast at 600 hours and not 700 hours so, just making sure you get breakfast before we start the descent into Yuripa International Airport. So it's time to wake up now. It's currently 5 AM in the morning. I know I didn't give you much sleep last night. You probably all fell asleep when you probably all are still asleep. For those of you who are awake right now, we'll be passing over. I actually don't know what the continent is. I don't actually know. We'll be flying over land soon. If you want to look down into your either left or right, you'll see the coast of Taiwan. Once again, thank you for choosing Qantas. Number one. Bye. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Captain for the flight deck. Dinner up. Excuse me. Wow. Breakfast is now available. If you want to see our menu, please open up your screen and look at the breakfast menu. catering will be provided shortly after you order. Once again, thank you for choosing Qantas and have a wonderful day. I can hear the pilots screaming at me. I can hear the pilots in the comments screaming at me saying that's not how you say it. Wow, I should probably one of these videos I should probably actually, you know, get what they say up so I know actually what to say. Should probably do that. Go ahead and start descent now. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain from the flight deck. If you'll please find your seat and buckle up as we are descending. We are starting our descent into Yuripa International Airport. Wind is calm, which is new. Daytime, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off the cabin lights. Yuripa International. We have another 2 flights ahead of us. I think is that the Airbus A384? I don't know. Possibly, actually. It is... Nah, it's not. In fact, where did that Airbus A380 go? I think he went right somewhere, I'm not sure. Oh, there's an A340. There he is. No, that's a C88. Negative, I have no eyes on the Airbus A380. Should have touched down before 1000 hours. So I've climbed a bit, so it's not loading 1 frame a second. I need to descend a little quicker. Right off to a little bit to the left. I'm actually not sure which way this runway goes, so I'm going to go. Going to change it from center view off so I can actually. This runway Yuripa International. I'm going to go ahead and grab the ILS for runway 29. That should come up over here. I thought it showed up on one of these maps. I could be wrong. We are 60 k's out from the runway, so I don't know. If I can't find what runway I'm actually landing at, we'll just land on any runway, really. I don't think it matters, no one else is there. We do have a developed, well, I think it's a TU-244, which is supersonic aircraft. Supersonic airline. Or it could be a cargo variant, I'm not sure. Alright, we're dropping below cloud cover. Airfield should be coming into radar soon. I don't know how to work this. Don't know how that works. that like change if I turn the aircraft? It does not. Okay. That's lovely. Let's deselect from away. Oh, great. It's not letting me select it for some reason. Yay, that's just wonderful. I want to go ahead and level off. For some reason it's actually not letting me select the airport, so we're just gonna have to see runway, land on runway. That's what we're gonna have to do here. Circle the thank you for getting after this very critical part of time. Gonna have to circle the airport and figure out where the hell we're actually gonna land. But that's the runway there. From there, so I'm gonna go ahead and land that one. So our descent. Cabin crew, please prepare the aircraft for landing. Not aircraft, it's cabin. So throttling back. Drop it down to 30% throttles. Final approach. Not sure what runway number this is, but we're going ahead and landing on it. Yuripa International, final clearance to land.
500. 400. 300. 200. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
And that's touchdown. Okay. Go ahead and park this boy up at. Let's take that one there. Doesn't seem to be another plane on it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Yuripa International Airport.
No.
Alright, well someone stole our gate, so we're gonna go over here now. So thank you to the, looks like a CRJ, I'm not sure, I'm not great, DC-10 maybe, CRJ, I'm not sure what it is. Stole our runway, so, stole our fucking gate, so we're gonna go over here. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Qantas staff team, we would like to welcome you to Yuripa International Airport. If you are visiting, we hope you enjoy your stay, and if you're returning to Yuripa, welcome home. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for choosing Qantas and have a wonderful day. Well, that's full flight from... Is that our Airbus A380? We have 3 aircraft in the holding pattern. Is that our Airbus A380 that's coming in next to land? That is it? I don't know, it is possible. Right, that's not Airbus A380, that's the 747. But that, on the other hand, we have 3 aircraft all landing at the same time. So if I scroll out, I'll be able to watch these guys touch down. Oh, that's... What? I thought it was red. That's a Boeing 7779. So, touch down. That's an Airbus A380, but it's not. Why did they seem red, but they're not red? Damn it. I thought that was an Airbus. Ah, no, that's not the same one. That's the Airbus A380-800. And he is now the 747-200P. Or SP. Which is pretty much the shorter version of the 747. All beautiful touchdowns. Well, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button down below. We are closing in on 200 subscribers. We are now at 149 last time I checked. What the fuck is that Airbus A380 doing? He is reversing off the runway backwards. So, oh, he just left. Alright. Well, thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.